Hello friends, welcome to CSR Tech Info YouTube channel. So this is Chandrasekhar and I'm going to show you in this video how to connect and how to make old TVs and nothing but the CRT TVs as a smart TV using one device. So see friends, if you have the old TVs or if you have the CRT TVs, if you want to use it as a smart TV, that means whatever you want to you want to play on your laptop, that comes on your TV. Whatever you want to play on mobile phone, that comes on your old TV only. So initially this facility was not available actually. So to this purpose a special device is invented recently. So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. And this is what the device HDMI to AV connector. Using this device we can connect even a old TV to the smart TV. You can watch all the things on your old TV like a smart TV. So to make it possible, we need to purchase some things, some tools. Let us see what are those things required. The first one is HDMI to AV adapter or the connector. Just now we have seen the device. Yes, this is the device that we have to purchase. It is available on Amazon or Flipkart or other sites. And second thing is AV cable. You know very well about this cable. This is commonly and easily available in all the music centers. And the third item is HDMI cable. Of course, you also know very well. This is used to connect the laptop to other projectors, like that. It has two ends. Yes, and fourth item is adapter, nothing but the power cable. Yes, this supplies the power from the power slot to the device. Now let us see how to make this process possible. Yes, how to connect. See my dear friends, on the screen here you have to purchase HDMI cable. That is what you have to insert into this device. This device has one HDMI input and one USB input, one power cable slot and three AV cables. So at one end you have to insert this HDMI cable, and the other end, that cable you have to insert into the laptop or any camera or any Blu-ray DVD or any STV, and whatever you show, whatever you exhibit there, that transmits, that converts through this device and will be displayed on the your TV, your old CRT TV. So this is very easy, my dear friends. All you have to do is just you have to purchase this device in the Amazon. So if you want to purchase this connector, I give the link in this video, so please click on that link and you can purchase it, and you can also purchase those cables, and with this you can make it possible, my dear friends. So I hope you like this video very much, and if you like this video, so please like, share, follow it, and you can also comment. And if you are the new user, so please subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that is CSR Tech Info YouTube channel. So thank you very much, my dear friends, for watching this video. Thank you.